So you're just free lining. Oh, look at that.
Okay, watch it. There you go. You stand up. All right.
Good job, Sherilyn. There you go.
That's what a redfish does.
Yep. That's exactly what a redfish does.
There was a
Sherilyn's got a decent one. Heck yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm getting it.
Oh, you getting it?
No, yeah, yes sir. I don't know. Oh yeah, look at that pretty beauty.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous fish. Gorgeous fish. Thing hit that quicker than you threw it out too.
Yeah, there's a giant school sitting right.
Awesome job, Sherilyn. You're gonna have to hold him.
That was a workout.
That one sit there. Let's see what happens here. John, we'll just leave him right there, guys. I'm gonna get John a bait out here.
I'm gonna get out of your way.
Good job.
Nice.
Good job. Beautiful redfish.
How about that?
24, 25 inches.
Yes.
He's still on there. He just
Yep.
going to the left.
Yep. There you go, Sherilyn.
I'll reel mine in so I won't be in your way.
Oh, here we go. If you really did, we'll put a fresh bait on there.
That's a little guy, yeah. Just horsing him in, aren't you, Sherilyn?
Huh?
I said you're just horsing that little guy in.
You want to go ahead and reel this one in?
I just put fresh bait.
Yeah, he's a itty bitty
Yeah,
guy.
good to go.
He's a baby. Oh, it's
You're
a
right
trout.
there.
No, it's a red. Come here, little guy.
Good.
Right in the side of the mouth, though.
So they all got that dot on their tail.
All redfish.
Actually, I caught one
Yeah.
yesterday that didn't have a dot.
Yeah,
on it.
sometimes,
Really?
sometimes they won't.
What, are they deformed or something?
Nah.
Nice job.
Sherilyn's on another one. Oh, that was a good one, Sherilyn.
Gotta keep 'em going here.
That's a good one.
Gotta keep the mullet in the water. Keep that
Yeah, that's a good one. It's all right. It's all right. Let him go. Just let him tire himself out. Yes, sir. I got you. As soon as you get him up on the boat. Yeah, look at that, Sherilyn. Beautiful redfish.
School of fish. I can tell by the size of them here.
Good job.
Catching.
He's a good one. You're all right. You're all right.
It's like, I wanna go back.
He's a good one. Come up this way.
If you can bring them all the way up there on the bow, that's where you want to get. See that rope's in the water right there.
Got it. Thank you, George.
Fish on deck. Yes, ma'am. Beautiful. Beautiful. Get him in the
How
cooler.
about some redfish?
Nice hook set, too.
Good work.
There you go.
Got it?
Yep, yes, sir.
How big is that one?
Nice job.
Thank you. 20.
Oh, chill out, little guy.
Almost 20. Uh-oh. Sherilyn's
26.
26. Top
Right
of the
on it.
leaderboard.
Woohoo!
Good job, Sherilyn.
Thanks.
All right, man. Good job. I'm coming. Oh, whoa, whoa. Swim over me.
It's barely on there.
Don't reel in. Don't reel in. Give me some slack. That's all right. He's good. Now you got him hooked in the side of the mouth.
Alright.
Yeah, you had him hooked in the meat of his mouth. He ain't going nowhere. Stay up there. Just bring him over to me. Nose down. Nose down. Dang, Sal's got a good one. Sal's got another good one.
Big one.
Another big one. It's a nice one. Come on, Sal, go ahead. Sal's coming to the front. He's gonna, yeah, follow him. Just follow him because he's up there by that troll motor. That's alright. Wear him down. He's a decent sized one. Wear him down. Oh! Yep. That'd be a nice little video. Come on. Come on. There you go, Sal. Good job. Good job, Sal. Good job. That is a nice drum. Oh, you had him hooked solid too.
They're a nice looking fish.
Solid. You see him back over there? John's hooked up. John's hooked up. John is hooked up.
You're over the top of it. There you go. Jordan, you're over the top.
Yes, sir. All right, come on this way, John. It's a good one. He is moving, ain't he? No, there's just me. I'm coming, John. I'm coming.
You make a good backhand.
Thank you, sir. Just tire him out. He ain't going nowhere. You got a good hook set in him. Slide him on over. Slide him on over. Slide him on over. There you go. Another good one. Yeah, it's a decent one too. Keep that pressure on him. Real good looking drum. If you can swing him my way, that'd be the best. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Let him go. Let him just tire himself out. There you go. Yeah, he's not ready yet. He ain't ready yet. Here, I'm gonna go around the backside of you. There you go. Keep that tip up. And of course, he goes to the other side. There you go. Good job, guy. Nice drum. Nice drum. Right in the corner of the mouth where it needs to be. No. Yeah, I got it. It's cool. I don't mind at all. I'm glad everybody's catching. If I can get the hook out of his mouth.
You get it?
Yeah. There we go. Not a bad one, Sal. There you go, Sal. Yes, he did. Ooh, it looks like a decent one too.
Man, right now.
Found one more that's hungry. One more that's hungry. Yeah, that's what I said. Go for it. No matter if you got a nibble of shrimp, just put it on there. There's one more up here.
There's one more shrimp up here.
Yes, ma'am. Come on back. Come on back.
Free of charge.
He's going under. He's going under. Crank, crank, crank. There you go. There you go. Hold him there. Swing around. Oh, he is barely hooked. There you go. He's hooked in the good meat of his mouth. Yeah, he hadn't gone nowhere. Alright. Over there. Good cast, good cast.
You're still side casting? I gotta get used to those.
Oh, the overhead, yeah. There we go. Yes, sir. I'm way over here. Don't worry about me. I'm way over here. He's coming out around the back of the boat. I'm good. yes I do.
Got one too?
Get him, Sal. He ain't the biggest, but he'll keep. Yeah, Sherilyn, there she is. Join the club. Join the club. Careful, John. She's gonna be going over top of you. Let her walk this way. Come on back, Sherilyn.
We're gonna have you in there too. I think, John, if you can bring that one up. We're gonna have all of this there.
Follow the leader. Oh, I'm coming. You out, Sal?
Yeah, I'm out.
Okay. Where's the net?
I don't know.
I got you. Don't worry about it. Good job, Sherilyn. Oh, he ain't quite done with you yet. John, right in front of you. Right. Sal, make your cast. You got it, Sherilyn. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good job. Good job.
Woohoo!
Look at that.
Dang.
It's a decent
Right on
one.
the lip.
Right in the corner of the mouth where you want to be. What are we looking at? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good night.